Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And my name is Joseph. Welcome to the WISE Quarterly Live Raffle Draw. I'm your host, Joseph. Again, Joseph the host. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanonood natin mga viewers. I think marami na naghihintay kanina pa. No? So, we're very happy to do this another quarterly live raffle draw. This is WISE Wealth Link Incentives for Star Employees, and we are very excited sa ating mga achievers for this quarter. And of course, we're gonna give away amazing prizes for this afternoon. So sit back and relax, and let's make this the big day or biggest day of your quarter as well. So, by the way guys, kung ready na kayo, paki-share naman ang live natin today with the hashtag WISE trip to Hong Kong. Dahil ayun po ang ating pinaka main prize for this afternoon. Yung nakaraan, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ano nga ba yung nakaraan natin na pinaraffle? Trip to Thailand. So right now, ang susunod naman natin ay trip to Hong Kong. And lastly, yung pinaka-last natin, which is the main one, is Singapore, guys. So I'm hoping na kung sino man ang mananalo for this trip to Hong Kong, ay mag-ready na kayo ng passport, syempre. In addition, just comment on our FB Live kung gusto nyo kayong, or kung gusto nyo ipa-shoutout kung sino man yung grupo na meron kayo, syempre. While we are having our awarding as well. Because we wanted to acknowledge you as well. We would just like to thank all the dedicated and achievers, employee of WealthLink Incorporated. So now at this point, let us watch the previous semi-annual awarding. Roll the video.
Magandang hapon po. Nagpapasalamat po sa programa ng Wiki at syempre kay Ma'am Dear sa inyo po. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, Shores Loyalty Awardee, Russell.
Good afternoon po. Bali, thank you po sa kay Ma'am Disco po.
Dalawa ko, baon ko para pagpasok bukas. Kumbaga manatili din yung pagiging masigasig ko yabang. Pero hindi, kumbaga, baon ko to dahil kumbaga makakatulong ko sa performance ko sa pang-araw-araw para sa mga susunod na event gaya ko nito, malay natin makasama po ulit tayo. Kumbaga, syempre, para sa lahat ulit ng mga empleyado ni WealthLink, galingan pa natin para kumbaga hindi naman natin inaasahan yung mga ganitong bagay. So bigla-bigla nang natatawag sa'yo, mga supervisor natin, nakasama ka pala. Kumbaga, okay to para sa akin. Thank you po.
Ayun, sa lahat, gusto ko pasalamat po. Hindi dahil sa kanya na hindi ko muli din posible namin dito. Then pangalawa, kay WealthLink Incorporated, dahil sa programa na ginagawa nito. Ginagawa ito, kumbaga, mas ginagana kayo ng trabaho. Kumbaga, sa susunod is gagalingan pa po namin. Maraming salamat and magandang hapon sa lahat.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat po ng buo ng WealthLink Incorporated, sa mga staff po dahil panalo ko po. Bumabati rin po ako sa MCC Cambuba, Manila College, especially po sa Facilities Department. Dito po ako para ma-claim po yung ticket na aking decide ko naman po siguro marating ng Thailand. Ganito lang po talagang kakalag ko na po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga ng Philippines.
Once again, congratulations to Mr. Estoya. Yung ticket na nakikita nyo po kanina, na hawak-hawak niya, yun po yung ipapakita niya sa airport. Biro lang po. And just for, that is just for, tag dito, photo op purposes, guys. So, congratulations ulit kay Mr. Estoya for securing the travel package to Bangkok. So, you'll be enjoying a delightful 4 days and 3 nights in the vibrant city of Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand, specifically. So let's take a quick look at the trip's itinerary to give you a glimpse of adventures that awaits. So roll the video for the itinerary at Bangkok, Thailand.
Get ready for an unforgettable adventure with WealthLink's incentive for star employees, the Wise Third Raffle Prize. Day 1 begins with a visit to the iconic Wat Arun, one of Bangkok's most stunning landmarks. From there, transfer to Pattaya, where shopping and exploration await at the mall and vibrant night market. On day 2, immerse in the beauty of Nong Nuch Tropical Garden, a paradise of flowers and cultural shows. Experience the famous elephant show, a highlight of Thai tradition, and enjoy the sights, sounds, and flavors of Thailand at the floating market. Day 3 begins with a visit to the Jewelry Exhibition Center, showcasing Thailand's craftsmanship. Marvel at the grandeur of Khao Chi Chan, the Buddha Mountain, with its golden engraving. On day 4, bid farewell to Thailand as you fly back to Manila, carrying memories of a once-in-a-lifetime journey. This is more than just a trip. It's a reward for excellence. The Wise Bangkok Tour Package. 4 days, 3 nights of culture, adventure, and unforgettable experiences. Because star employees deserve star rewards.
Once again, congratulations to Mr. Estoya. Ayun ang iyong mga gagawin na itinerary from day 1 up to day 3. Siyempre, ayan, nakapack na yan lahat kung ano man yung mga gagawin mo for your trip to Bangkok, Thailand. Iba't iba yan. So, I'm hoping that you will enjoy it. Kasama ang iyong +1 kasi hindi lang to isa, di ba? So, dalawa kayo na mag-enjoy sa Bangkok, Thailand. Iba't ibang itinerary na yung yung paglibot nyo sa Thailand. So, as we continue with our program, I'd like to remind everyone to have their passport prepared and up to date. Dahil balay nyo, di ba? Kayo naman ang mananalo dito. It's either you will be the one who's winning the trip to Hong Kong or ikaw ang mananalo ng ating grand prize, which is the trip to Singapore. So, keep participating and your dream trip could be just around the corner. So at this point in time, let's watch this next video on how to easily secure a passport.
Are you ready to be the lucky winner for a trip to Hong Kong and Singapore? Here's a simple guide on how to apply for your passport. Start by completing the official passport application form. Prepare the necessary documents, proof of citizenship, identity, and a recent photo. Pay the applicable passport fee based on the type and processing speed you choose. Submit your completed form, documents, and payment at the DFA. You may need to attend an appointment for verification. Track your application status online. Apply well in advance of your travel date. With these steps completed, you'll soon have your passport in hand. Start your journey today by applying for your passport. Who knows? You might be the next lucky winner.
So, yan lamang po ang ating quick video on how to easily acquire passport. Kung sakali man na kayo ang nanalo ng ating trip to Hong Kong this quarter awarding. Ang mangyayari naman dyan is WealthLink can assist you if in case na first time nyo makakuha ng passport at ayaw nyo naman na magkamali if in case dahil meron siya mga requirements, no? So just ping or advise your supervisor, immediate supervisor na this is your first time na makakuha ng passport and ikaw ang nanalo sa trip to Hong Kong, and then they will assist you or itatap nila ang WealthLink to assist you on easily acquiring the passport. So at this point in time, dahil nagawa na natin ang lahat, and at this point, we are going to access or we are going to view on how to access an e-raffle ticket. So, at this point, I would just like to ask Kuya MJ or Kuya Joseph, where's my raffle ticket? So, don't worry. We have got you covered. Para sa mga bago or baka medyo nakalimutan na kung paano maka-acquire ng e-raffle tickets para manalo ng trip to Hong Kong, here is a quick video on how to access your e-raffle tickets. Hi! So once again, guys, this is the WISE WealthLink incentive for star employees. At this point, we're going to announce the top 10 leaderboard and our hard-working achievers who are leading the way this month. Ito yung parang merong chance talaga or mas maraming chance of winning dahil naka-accumulate sila ng mas maraming tickets from anybody else. So, let us roll the video and recognize the top 10 leaderboard. At ayan na nga mga kaibigan, hinihintay lang po natin yung video. Congratulations. Oh, in advance, I would just like to congratulate all the top 10 leaderboard performers. Meron ba tayong mga gustong i-shoutout dyan sa ating live? Ayan, parang maraming nagko-comment sa atin in terms of sa live audiences natin, ano? Okay, meron. Okay. So before that, before I do some comments or shout out these people, let's us watch the top 10 leaderboard video. Once again, congratulations sa lahat ng mga nasa top 10 leaderboard. And I'm hoping that one of you will win the major raffle for this quarter trip to Hong Kong. Ano? Your plus one. Eh. Kung meron ka namang minamahal or talagang ka-close na kaibigan, pwede kayong mag-trip to Hong Kong yan. And I'm praying that you will be the one who will win. And syempre, mas maganda kung merong interaction din sa ating Facebook Live, guys. Just comment and shout out. Magpa-shoutout kayo sa amin dahil meron ng mga gusto magpa-shoutout sa amin dito. Ayan, totoo po yan, ha? Ayan, to shout out kay Marcos M. Bautista from CBS. Shout out sa'yo. Mark Heralde Parabas, BSA from SM Palawan. Ayan, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Dami nanonood sa atin, guys. We also have Al Abadilla from SM City, Lipa. Ayan, happy viewing, guys. And syempre, si Sunny Boy Hasad from Midsayap Branch. Retsky Balan from Quezon City. Napakalayo nito. Okay, and we also got Bon Tumagan from CBS Palawan. And also Nerf or Nerfy Tabios from Virac. Ano to? Catanduanes, no? From Virac Branch. Ayan, shout out po sa inyong lahat na una nagpa-shout out sa atin. And syempre, bukod sa ating mga live audiences or mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live, meron din tayong live viewers dito. Palakpak po ang ating mga live viewers! Woo! Grabe! Ang saya-saya nila dito! Congratulations again sa ating mga top 10 na nasa leaderboard. And at this moment, habang syempre pinapainit natin ang sitwasyon dahil nakaka-excite nga naman kung sino yung mga or kung sino ang mananalo sa ating trip to Hong Kong, mag-mini raffle draw muna tayo. So we're going to raffle 5 winners who will take home cash prize. But before I play the video, reminder lang sa unang mananalo ng cash prize raffle winner, please coordinate again with your supervisor for the prize dahil ang inyo pong mapapanalunan kung kayo po ay mabunot ay automatic na i-credit sa inyong payroll account. So, I think everyone's ready at ako din ang mag-a-announce na to. Nasaan ang tambiolo? Okay, let's draw our first mini raffle winner. Ayan na nga, si Robert Pineda. Congratulations! Kung nanonood ka man or kung meron kayong mga kaibigan, i-screenshot nyo yan, i-send nyo kay Robert Pineda dahil siya ang unang winner ng cash prize ng ating raffle. So, for the second winner, let's draw it. Congratulations kay Maria Antoinette Salcedo. Kung sino ka man at kung nasaan ka, you won a cash prize for this 5 lucky winners of our mini raffle. Next! Iyon, congratulations kay Noriel Uwanan. And then ang ating pangatlong winner for the cash prize. Next natin, tingnan natin kung sino ang pang-apat. Binobola na mga kaibigan. Sino kaya ang panalo? Napakaswerte naman itong mga unang nananalo. Ira Ernest, congratulations to our 4th winner. And last but not the least, let's draw again. M. Robert Labuanan. Congratulations to all of our 5 winners ng ating mini raffle. Kayo po ay nagwagi ng cash prize na tumataginting na hindi ko po alam. So, just approach your supervisor for your cash prize, guys. And reminder lang po, kung hindi po kayo nanalo ng ating first mini raffle, meron pa kayong chance na manalo sa mga susunod pa. Meron pa tayong mga susunod na mini raffle draws before we announce the winner of our trip to Hong Kong package. At syempre, hindi yan kasalanan ng host dahil ang nagdodraw po niyan ay nandito sa likod ng ating camera. Ayan. So right now, guys, we will be heading on to the Star Employees of the Month nominees. To meet the nominees of the Star Employees of the Month of September, these individuals went above and beyond in their roles. So, video please. once again, congratulations to our nominees. And right now, syempre, meron tayong mga pipiliin na Star Employees of the Month. And if I'm not mistaken, it's not only one, not only two, but a lot of Star Employees of the Month of September. So, the winners are...
Hi, John. Paulo, I'm Ricky, your account supervisor. Congratulations for being Star Employee of the Month of September. Pagbutihin mo ang trabaho at ingat lagi. God bless.
Hi Ace! Congrats!
Hi Ace! Congratulations for winning the Star Employee Award for the month of September. Keep up your good performance and maintain it in your store.
Hi Vicente Marmoada, I'm Ricky, your account supervisor. Congratulations for being a Star Employee of the Month of September. Pagbutihin mo ang iyong trabaho at ingat lagi sa pagmamaneho. Keep up the good work and God bless.
Hi Marvin, this is Mark, your account supervisor. I would like to congratulate you for being Employee of the Month for the month of September. Payo ko lang sa'yo, mas galingan mo pa and yun, deserve mo yun. Thank you.
Congratulations, Aileen Perez, for the Star Employee for the month of September. Keep it up sa good work and sana pagpatuloy mo lang ang magandang trabaho sa akin. Congratulations again. Thank you.
Congratulations, Gerald Bautista, for being the Star Employee of the month of September. Your dedication and hard work are truly appreciated. Keep it up.
Miss Jenna Selga, this is your account supervisor, Mr. Mark Verdida. So, nais lamang kitang batiin ng congratulations for being our Star Employee of the Month. So, sana tuloy-tuloy lang kasi si WealthLink and White Plane ay proud sa'yo for such a good employee, no? For sitting as a good example. Okay? So, hopefully, sa mga susunod pa na buwan, sa mga susunod pa na araw, is magtuloy-tuloy pa ang ating performance na ganito. So, ingat parate and God bless. Hi, Merrick Mereda. Magandang araw sa iyo. So, this is your account supervisor, Mr. Mark Verdida. So, nais lamang kitang batiin ng congratulations for being our Star Employee of the Month. So, sana tuloy-tuloy lang dahil si WealthLink and Hire ay proud sa iyo for being a good example and also for being a good employee. So, sana sa mga magtagal ka pa at sa mga susunod na buwan is tuloy-tuloy lang yung ganito nating performance. And ingat parate. God bless.
Hello, I am Von, Account Supervisor at WealthLink Incorporated. Congratulations, Mr. Lester Tagulao, the Star Employee of the Month, for your dedication, excellence, and positive attitude. Keep up the amazing work. Congratulations.
Hi Jaylan! Congratulations Jaylan Arcepe, our safety officer in Cebu City under WeatherTech account. Congratulations for being recognized as a star employee for this month of September. Your passion, your commitment, and your consistency to excellence truly set you apart. Continue giving your best, not just for your family, but for your career growth as well. Thank you and congratulations.
Hi, I just want to congratulate one of our employees, Ms. Rona Jane Kandang, for being the star employee for the month of September. I know how hard you work and you really deserve this recognition. Keep it up, and again, congratulations, Rona Jane.
So, congratulations to all of our star employees of the month of September. At this point, syempre meron tayong isa sa mga employees na nandito. So, let's give it up. Palakpakan naman po natin si Rona Jane Karandang. We will be awarding her certificate for her excellence on the month of September. And syempre to award, let me ask for our president of WealthLink Incorporated, si MSM, si natin. Ayan, congratulations.
Hello po, good afternoon. Thank you po for this award. Kasi po, 6 months lang po ako sa work ko and medyo overwhelming yung gantong reward kasi ngayon ko lang siya na-experience and thank you for recognizing my sorry po, ganito lang yung boses ko when I speak publicly po. So, thank you po for recognizing our patience and hard work under your agency. Thank you po.
Yehey! So once again, congratulations to all of our star employees for the month of September. As I would say, keep it up. Ayan, di ba? Sabi nga nila, in terms of your work, your hard work always pay off. And here in WealthLink Incorporated, nakikita po namin yan. And because of your hard work, syempre, you deserve to be awarded. Kagaya nga ni Rona Jane kanina, na mangyak-ngyak na, ano? Hindi, biro lang. And ganun na daw siya magsalita. Ayan. So right now, at this point, let's move on to the bigger milestones. Ayan. Yeah, may I be assisted for the nominees of our star employees of the third quarter. These are the people who have consistently excelled throughout the quarter. So, roll out the video for the nominees. Ayan, so congratulations again sa ating mga nominees for the Star Employee of Third Quarter. And right now, we are going to announce the winner of the quarter. Yung kanina, di ba, month of September, ito naman yung quarter naman. So that means to say, from July, August, at September. Before natin i-announce, parang medyo dramatic, magpa-shoutout muna tayo. Ayan. Ang mahiwagang kamay. Ayan. Hulaan nyo kung kaninong kamay yun. Okay, sige. Shoutout kay Jasmine D. Soriano. Buong-buong pangalan, may middle initial pa. Okay. Si Joanna Salanguste, JC Angeles, Raymond Ramirez, shoutout sa'yo. Kay Allen Faune, Herbert Constantino, MPP driver and helper. Si Ruel ng WealthLink, si Eljan ng WealthLink, si Neil ng WealthLink. Parang lahat yata ng taga-WealthLink nagpapa-shoutout dito. Si Sofia, the first ng WealthLink. At si Marlon Beredico. Yan. Shoutout po sa inyo sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to announce who's the winner. Isa lang to, no? Isang winner ng ating quarter employee of the month. Tama ba? So, ang ating winner ay wala nang iba kung hindi si...
For me, it's Miss Andre Matienzo. Congratulations for being the star employee of this quarter at WealthLink. Sa mga ginagawa mo, keep it up. Sana galingan mo pa. Then, i-share mo sa mga kasama mo yung mga alam mo about sa work at sa mga standards na ginagawa natin sa store. Yun lang. Congratulations.
Congratulations kay Mitch, our winner for the quarter. This is Star Employee of Quarter 3. Tama, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. And congratulations, syempre, together with MSM. May I invite MSM? Na minimerienda natin ngayon. At syempre, nandyan din si Claire to award the certificate. Yan. Katulad din ng una, putok na putok ang kanyang blush on, mga kaibigan. Once again, congratulations! And syempre, Mitch, this is now your time to shine. Ano ba ang gusto mo or mensahe mo, payo mo sa lahat ng mga co-employees mo? Syempre, not only in Golden Donuts but also to everyone na nasa WealthLink or under the umbrella of WealthLink.
Good afternoon po. I first like to thank my co-workers and my managers po. Kasi kung wala po sila, wala din po ako dito. And to other po na gustong magkaroon ng ganitong award, I suggest to work hard and gawin po natin yung kung ano po yung tama. And yun lang po. Also, I would like to thank the WealthLink dahil kung wala po sila Ma'am Gia, sila Ma'am Ma'am Claire, wala po tayo dito. So, thank you po and always do the hard work and all for the glory of God. Thank you.
Ayun. Congratulations again, Mitch. Kaya pala bagong gupit ka ngayon. Okay. Once again, congratulations to our third quarter star employee, si Mitch. Congratulations. So, before we continue again on awarding our deserving employees for this quarter, syempre, let's take a break and look back at our special celebrations this year, the Father's Day and Heroes Day. So, roll the video.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day, WealthLink!
Father's Day, Welding.
Happy Father's Day, Welding.
Father's Day, Welding. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Welding!
Once again, happy Father's Day and happy Heroes Day sa lahat ng ating mga hardworking employees under the umbrella of WealthLink. So, just to let you know guys, aside from the occasions na minention namin, Father's Day and Heroes Day, in every occasions or holidays na meron sa Pilipinas, ina-acknowledge din natin yung mga employees natin, ano? Especially this coming Christmas. So, WealthLink Incorporated gives appreciation, tokens of appreciation to all of our hard-working and dedicated employees. Ayan. And time and again, we always appreciate your hard work. And on behalf of WealthLink Incorporated, thank you. Thank you very much. This is not only for the WealthLink, at syempre, this is for the welfare of yourself and your family. So, hindi lang nagbe-benefit dito ang WealthLink, kundi kayo din. Siyempre, kung kayo ay masipag magtrabaho, tatagal din kayo sa trabaho. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. And now, we are going to move along to the next part of our video, which is the Top Sales Achiever of the Month nominees. So, at this point, we're gonna honor our sales champions. So, here are the nominees for the Top Sales Achiever of the Month. Roll the video. So now, ladies and gentlemen, to all the nominees, congratulations in advance. Pero syempre, meron tayong isang deserving, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, R ang nakalagay. So ibig sabihin, maraming magwawagi for the top sales achievers of this month. This is the month of September, if I'm not mistaken. No? Can you please, yan, okay, for the month of September. So again, in advance, congratulations to your hard work and dedication. So now, let's now watch who are the winners for the top sales of the month of September.
Hi Manuel, Giancarlo. So this is your account supervisor, Mr. Mark Verdida. So nais lamang kitang batiin ng congratulations and thank you so much for actually this is a big contributions to Team Hire and Team WealthLink. No, so sana sa mga susunod pa na buwan is mas dumami pa yung sales natin. Na ingat parate and again congratulations. Proud ang WealthLink sa'yo, proud ang Team Hire sa'yo and mag-iingat parate. God bless.
Congratulations, Kim Arroyo, on your award as Top Sales Achiever for the month of September. This award is a testament to your skill and dedication. Again, congratulations!
Yes, once again, congratulations to our sales achiever for the month of September. Galingan nyo pa at sabi nga natin, mas maraming benta, mas maraming kita. Charot. So now, habang hinihintay natin ang ating pagpe-prepare para sa ating raffle and also as we continue our next part, which is the third quarter nominees, top sales achiever, magpa-shoutout muna tayo. Ayan. So, shoutout kay Arnel Estilong. Get well soon from your WealthLink family. Ayan. Si Jomar and Peter. Shoutout sa iyo, Jomar and Peter ng Bandi Pro. At syempre, shoutout din sa 2010 Holdings. Happy watching. Ayan. Congratulations tuloy. Napa-congratulate tuloy ako. Sa kanila nagpa-shoutout lang pala. Shoutout po sa inyo, guys. Enjoy watching. And sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng ating awarding. So once again, guys, this is WISE 3, Year 3 of WealthLink Incentive for Star Employees. And now, let's move on to the next part of our program, the top sales achievers for the third quarter nominees. So let's celebrate the consistent excellence. And here are the nominees for the top sales achievers of the third quarter. So now, once again, sa ating mga nominees, congratulations sa inyo. And syempre, sabi nga natin, out of all the nominees, merong isang magwawagi, which is the top sales achiever for this quarter. So let's give a big round of applause for this remarkable achiever.
Giancarlo Manuel, this is your account supervisor, Mr. Mark Verdida. Nais lamang kitang batiin ng congratulations for being our top sales achiever of the quarter. Actually, it is a big contribution to Team Hire and Team WealthLink. And we're so proud of you. Tuloy-tuloy lang sa ganitong performance natin. Sana sa mga susunod pa na buwan is mas maraming sales na darating. Again, congratulations and pag-iingat parati.
Once again, congratulations to our top achiever for the third quarter. And unfortunately, he wasn't able to come here. And from here, oh, medyo malayo pala po siya. And taga Cebu. Wow, grabe. Congratulations sa iyo. And syempre, as usual, just approach your supervisor for your award, certificate, and also, if I'm not mistaken, we've prepared token of appreciation for you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakahinihintay ng lahat. Oh, okay. Yeah, syempre. Ayan, ang pinakahinihintay ng lahat. Next mini raffle draw. Ayan. Ay, kinakabahan sila eh. Akala nilang i-announce ko yung trip to Hong Kong na. Pero hindi pa po. So, there's another chance for those who wanted to win a mini raffle draw or raffle prize. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna pick again 5 more winners in our second mini raffle draw. So, ipe-prepare na po natin ang Tambiolo for the next raffle draw. Roll it. Congratulations kay Desiree Dableo Corpus, our 6th mini raffle winner. Next, Jolad Caranto, congratulations to you. Ikaw ang pang-pitong nanalo ng ating mini raffle prize. Giamel Dacayo, congratulations! Ikaw ang pang-8 nanalo ng ating mini raffle prize. Shirley Noche, congratulations sa'yo. Ikaw ang pang-9 kung hindi ako nagkakamali. At ang pang-10 na kukompleto sa ating mini raffle draw. Wala nang iba kung hindi si Shirley Makalalad. Congratulations. Uy, 2 Shirley yung... Ay, hindi. Shirlene pala yung isa. Ayan, congratulations sa inyong next 5 mini raffle prize winner. Congratulations. 10 na yun. 10 na yung napipili natin. Ilan pa ba bago natin i-announce ang winner? Okay. So, next na nito, yung trip to Hong Kong na. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ito po ang big announcement namin. Ito po ay trip to Hong Kong style noodles. Sa may... Dito sa may Lucky Gold Plus. Hindi, joke lang po. Ito po ay totoo. So, Hong Kong po talaga. Pupunta kayo sa may Hong Kong at meron tayong mga naka-prepare ng itinerary for this trip to Hong Kong. This is for 2 guys, ha? So, kung nag-iisa ka lang, i-chat mo na kung sino man ang gusto mong i-chat para meron kang kasama sa trip to Hong Kong. For the meantime, we're also excited to share dahil marami nagko-comment. Comment. Mag-comment po kayo. Say hi, say hello. Dahil ito na po ang pinakahihintay ng iba nating mga manonood dahil WealthLink is hiring. If you know someone who is great fit, refer them now because referrals mean more e-raffle tickets and cash rewards for you. Siyempre, aside from referral, ang kapalit niyan ay e-raffle tickets at cash reward. So, you can screenshot each and every of the job openings that we are about to post or go to our Facebook page, WealthLink Careers, or walk in here at our office, 3rd floor, room 208-209, Armal Plaza Building, C. Raimundo Avenue, May Bunga, Pasig City. Yan. So, let's start with our job opening postings. Okada Manila job vacancies. We've got line cook and dining staff. So, apply now. Send your resume to ericawellthlink@gmail.com. Line cook and dining staff sa Okada Manila, guys. Screenshot nyo na rin. BGC Taguig. Job vacancies. Kailangan po ng baristas or server, cashier or server, kitchen staff, restaurant manager, and restaurant supervisor. Screenshot and send your resume to kathwealthlink@gmail.com. So, next naman natin, BGC Taguig pa rin po. There's a lot of job vacancies that awaits you guys. Assistant restaurant, I think it's assistant restaurant manager, barman, cashier, chef de partie, kitchen. Kailangan po ng kitchen, mga kaibigan. Kitchen staff or line cook. kitchen line cook, what's this? Pizzaiolo, receptionist, restaurant manager, restaurant supervisor, server, sous chef, steward, and dishwasher. Ayan. kathweltlink@gmail.com. At gmail.com or akirangwealthlink@gmail.com. SMEs Ortigas, Pasig City. Kailangan po or ang ating job vacancies are Chef de Partia. Partia? Tama ba? Okay. We've got line cook, receptionist, and sous chef. Isend nyo lang po ang inyong resume sa kathwealthlink@gmail.com. Restaurant supervisor, area of deployment is in SM North EDSA Quezon City, SM MOA Pasay at Festival Mall Alabang. So send your resume to kathwealthlink@gmail.com. Next, we also have sa Festival Mall Alabang naman, area of deployment will be dishwasher, receptionist, and server. Same email address. Apply now to kathwealthlink@gmail.com. Sa SM North, EDSA, Quezon City naman, job vacancies are cashier, server, and server. Send your resume at kathwealthlink@gmail.com. Next, kailangan po natin ng cashier sa Ayala, Balintawak, SM San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, SM Valenzuela, SM Bikutan, SM South Mall, SM Sukat, SM Baguio, SM Bikutan, SM Sukat, SM Sukat, SM Iloilo, SM Manila, SM Taytay, at SM J Mall. So send your resume at rainwealthlink@gmail.com. Screenshot na yan. Kailangan din natin ng product specialist. Area of deployment, at least high school graduate with SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. Willing to process medical requirements and with experience. So send your resume at rainwealthlink@gmail.com. Sales promoter. So at least high school graduate ang kanyang qualification with at least 3 to 6 months experience in sales, fully vaccinated. Anong vaccine to? and with complete mandates, SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth, with excellent communication skills. Parang pwede ko dito. With free HMO and financial opportunities, willing to start ASAP. So send your resume at rans.wealthlink@gmail.com. But wait, there's more. Sales associate. Area of deployment, I think qualifications, at least high school graduate with SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. Willing to process medical requirements and with experience. So please send your resume at wealthlinkrain@gmail.com. Sales promoter. Ang ating qualifications are at least high school graduate with at least 3 to 6 months experience as promoter for appliances, preferably male, fully vaccinated with complete mandates like SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth, with excellent communication skills, with free HMO and financial opportunities, and willing to start as soon as possible. Send your resume at rens.wealthlink@gmail.com. Meat cutters, seasonal. So, ang ating job vacancies ay meat cutters, cook, butcher, and server. Ang ating benefits ay merong service charge, free uniform, government mandates, meal allowance, incentives, and free HMO upon regularization. So we've got two email address. Neil, ang Facebook ay Neil Wealthlink or neilwealthlink@gmail.com. Next job vacancy is production staff sa Scout Mandrianan, Quezon City. Ang ating benefits, we've got service charge, free uniform, government mandates, meal allowance, incentives, and free HMO upon regularization. Search lang po sa Facebook si Neil Wealthlink or neilwealthlink@gmail.com. Sales Associate. Ang qualification po natin ay at least high school graduate with SSS, Pag-ibig and PhilHealth, willing to process medical requirements and with experience. So search lang po at mag-send na ng resume sa rainwealthlink@gmail.com. Seasonal Sales Associate. Qualifications, at least high school graduate with SSS, Pag-ibig and PhilHealth, willing to process medical requirements and with experience. So send your resume at rainwealthlink@gmail.com. Seasonal Sales Associate. Ayun pala din yan. Okay, next. Seasonal Sales Associate again. So, at least high school graduate with SSS, Pag-ibig and PhilHealth, willing to process medical requirements and with experience. So, send your resume at wealthinkaliza@gmail.com or HRAliza or HRAkira. Apply now. Next, ang kailangan naman po natin ay aircon technician, duct installer, duct fabricator, electrician, welder, SMAW or FCAW. Ang ating areas of deployment are Quezon City, Latis, Parklinks, Ortigas, Pasig, Kawit, Cavite, at Soledad, Nuvali, Laguna. Ayan. Send your resume to eljohnwealthlink@gmail.com or search his Facebook, John Wealthlink. Tunasan, Muntinlupa. Ang kailangan po ay purchasing staff, sales executive allied, quantity surveyor, cost engineer, senior project engineer, service head, service supervisor, document CONT. What's this? Document cont, service admin, and construction manager. I think it's document construction. Yan! So, those are... Di ba na yung mukha ko biglang lumaki? Okay. So, those are the job offers that we have here at Wealthlink Incorporated. Guys, sana po na-screenshot niyo po yung karamihan ng mga job openings. Kung may kakilala po kayo, refer them to us. Nakita niyo naman po kung ano po ang ating mga email address where you could refer, as well as their Facebook account para naman po magkaroon kayo ng incentive. Or makasama din po kayo, makakuha kayo ng maraming e-raffle tickets. Shout out! Marami na tayong nagpapa-shout out. Ayan. Shout out sa mga deployed ng Sercom from Sir JC. Tama ba? SMA's Hardware, Tanza, Cavite. Shout out sa mga messenger ng CBS. Shout out sa CBS Pagadian City. Wow, layo nito ah. Next naman ay shout out sa WeatherTech and what's this? Tempwell? Positano Mactan Newton Project. Shout out sa CBS Tanza Cavite. Shout out din kay Miss Maine Bautista. We miss you. Wow. Sana all nami-miss. Next. Shout out kay Henry Medina. Sana mabunot ang ngipin mo ba? From Masbate City, China Bank. Okay. And syempre, shout out din kay Robert Pineda from CBS Pasig. Ay, shout out ko na pa itong pala to nasa kabila. So, to all na nagpapa-shout out, shoutout po sa inyong lahat and sana manalo kung sino man po yung mananalo for this quarter. Wise 3. Now, at this point, we are now going to celebrate loyalty and dedication. Siyempre, hindi lang naman yung mga awardees ng ating mga magagaling in terms of their work. And right now, we are going to award the Service Excellence Awardee for 5 years who has shown commitment and passion throughout their journey with us. Kulang na lang mag-invest po sila sa WealthLink, mga kaibigan. So, for our service awardee, we're going to roll a video presentation.
Hi, Ruel. I'm Ricky, your account supervisor. Congratulations on reaching your 5 years milestone with the company. Your dedication and hard work are truly appreciated, and we are so grateful to have you as part of our team. Keep up the good work. Take care and God bless.
Yes, once again, congratulations sa ating 5-year loyalty awardee at nandito po siya ngayon to award personally may trophy. Wow, ang ganda naman ng trophy. Congratulations together with this supervisor. Congratulations again, si Ruel. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin siya, guys. Grabe, 5 years. Congratulations. Ayan, together with Tess Mondiging, our president from WealthLink. Congratulations. And syempre, this is now also your time, sir, to say a message to all of our viewers this afternoon. Ano bang maipapayo mo para tumagal din syempre sa trabaho? Hindi lang naman to basta dahil gusto niya magstay. Syempre, it also adds up yung hard work mo, sir, and also dedication sa trabaho mo. Ano bang gusto mong i-message sa kanila?
Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto pong magsalamat kay Lord at binigyan niya po ako ng isang employer na meron pong malasakit sa tao at yun po, at tumagal po ako ng 5 years sa trabaho. Gusto ko lang pong ano po sa mga ibang mga kasama ko na yun lang po, maging tapat lang po sa trabaho at gampanan po ng yung ating tungkulin po para tumagal po tayo sa ating trabaho. At sana po marami pa pong matulungan po ang mga tao po, mabigyan niya po ng mga trabaho at yun po. Maraming salamat po sa ating President po, kay Sir Ricky sa paggabay po sa akin. Yun po. Kay Madam President po, salamat po. Thank you po.
Yes. Once again, congratulations to our 5-year loyalty awardee. You're one of the living testament that WealthLink is really in the right path. Sabi mo nga, di ba, bukod sa iyo, marami ding mga nagtatagal na empleyado sa atin, hindi pa man nakaka 5 years, pero balita ko, karamihan sa ating mga employees are now more than 3 years ng under the umbrella of WealthLink. And for those na near 10 years na rin sa WealthLink Incorporated, another award awaits you because sa ating mga nakaka 10 years na or malapit na mag 10 years, WealthLink Incorporated will be awarding you with 1 month more worth of your salary as appreciation for your decade commitment in WealthLink Incorporated. So once again, congratulations sa iyo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakahihintay ng lahat, eto na po ang ating second prize. Kung kanina, or kung last time, which was last July 11, ang in-announce natin ay ang nanalo ng trip to Bangkok, Thailand. Eto naman, this time, i-announce na natin kung sino ang mananalo ng trip to Hong Kong, style noodle. Hindi, joke lang. Trip to Hong Kong. Siyempre, ibang bansa tayo. Out of the country. Let's take a look. And eto na po, irorolyo na natin kung sino ang magwawagi.
Experience the magic of Asia with WealthLink's incentive tour. Day 1 begins at 1881 Heritage, a blend of Victorian elegance and luxury. Take in breathtaking views at Victoria Harbour and the observation wheel. Ascend to Victoria Peak for a stunning panorama of the city skyline. Explore Shenzhen's towering Diwang Building and lively Happy Harbor. Day 2 takes you to Canton, starting with Lihua Lake Park. Marvel at the Haixing Bridge and the iconic Canton Tower lit up at night. On the final day, shop for treasures at a jewelry store before Macau. Experience the grandeur of the Venetian Macau and its attractions. Explore the historic ruins of St. Paul's, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. End with the spectacular lake performance at Wynn Palace. Fly back home with memories of a once-in-a-lifetime adventure.
O, diba? Iyon ang mga mai-experience kung sino man ang mananalo ng trip to Hong Kong. Grabe. Congratulations agad in advance. So, before ba natin, I will say this, our terms and condition after announcing our winner. Or, i-announce ka na to, no? Siguro mas maganda kung i-announce ka na rin to. So, before we announce the winner, disclaimer lamang po sa ating second prize, which is trip to Hong Kong. The prize is not convertible to cash. Okay, that's one. Second, kapag ikaw po ay nanalo, bibigyan ka namin ng pagkakataon na mag-prepare ng passport. Siyempre, kung wala ka pang passport or yung kasama mo ay wala pang passport. At date of the tour na napili mo within the month. So, ibig sabihin, bibigyan ka namin ng chance na magplano netong buong October. Yan, itong buong October na to, remaining October, kailangan mo nang planuhin kung anong bang date ang gusto mo as well as sino ang makakasama mo at yung passport mo. Okay? And syempre, as usual, kagaya nga ng sinabi namin kanina, kung kailangan mo ng passport assistance, please let your supervisor know para ma-assist ka ng WealthLink Incorporated. So now, if everybody is excited, I know everyone's commenting. Comment muna. Comment Hong Kong. Because in 1 minute, we will be raffling who's the winner for a trip to Hong Kong. 1 minute. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng 1 minute. Comment Hong Kong, ladies and gentlemen. Para alam namin kung ilan ang viewers. Para naman malaman namin kung nanonood din kung sino ang magwawagi dito sa raffle na to. Congratulations kagad sa inyo in advance. And once again, for the second time around, thank you so much for WealthLink Incorporated for having me again as your host. And syempre, ang ating mga technical staff din na nandito, maraming salamat. Ayan, si Mika nandito. Ayan, si RG, thank you so much. Si Chona na nag-assist sa akin in terms of the announcements and also the flow of the program. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ang ating technical staff from WealthLink. Ayan, maraming salamat. And syempre, sa ating bossing, kay President Tess Mondiging, maraming salamat po for having me again for the WISE 3. Ayan, WealthLink incentive for star employees. Ang galing, ano? Nakakatuwa kasi na-appreciate ng WealthLink lahat ng mga staff nila. And to award them, ayan, para mas exciting, nagsasagawa sila ng ganitong live stream. Oh, reason being it's live stream is because they are viewing from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ayan, iba-iba. May iba kasing malalayo. So, mahirap naman kung iimbitahan natin ng lahat every quarter. So, I think 1 minute is done. Ilan na ang ating mga viewers? Mukhang marami na rin. Dumami na. Okay, i-announce po natin yan mamayang 5 p.m. kung sino man ang joke lang. Okay, so, I think this is now the right time. Kung hindi ka man nanonood, syempre, ang supervisor mo ang magsasabi sa'yo. Okay. So, I think we're now ready. Ready na. Tignan natin. Yun na. At umikot na ang tambyolo. Yes! Jason Ramos! Ikaw ang nagwagi ng package tour to Hong Kong. Congratulations to our second prize quarterly winner for trip to Hong Kong for 4 days, 3 nights. Kung ako sa'yo, aasikasuhin mo na ang iyong passport. At syempre, one-way ticket lang ba? Hindi, joke lang. It's a two-way ticket. Going there and going here back sa Pilipinas. Congratulations. Mag-isip ka na kung sino ang kasama mo sa Hong Kong dahil this is trip for 2. If I'm not mistaken, aside from the itinerary, meron kang pocket money na tumataginting na 100 pesos per day. Charot. Hindi ko po alam kung magkano ang pocket money. Pero syempre, it's gonna be your allowance for the 4 days, 3 nights tour sa Hong Kong. Congratulations ulit sa'yo. Jason Ramos. Grabe na. Napakaswerte naman itong taong to. Grabe, maraming salamat and congratulations. And syempre, because before we close this program, I think we've already, ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat because ito yung first prize natin. Ayan. Bibigyan lang namin kayo ng patikim na video, a teaser video on what's in store for our December Grand Raffle Draw. The first prize that you don't want to miss. This is the trip to Singapore Grand Prize.
Celebrate excellence with WealthLink's incentive for star employees, the WISE Grand Raffle Prize, a 4 days, 3 nights tour of Singapore. Day 1 begins with a half-day city tour, starting at Suntec City, home to the Fountain of Wealth, a symbol of prosperity. Next, visit Merlion Park, where Singapore's legendary half-lion, half-fish statue stands proudly by the bay. Take in breathtaking views of the city from the Singapore Flyer, one of the world's tallest observation wheels. Explore the vibrant streets of Chinatown and marvel at the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, a cultural and spiritual landmark. End the day with shopping at Sovereign Shopping Center, where modern retail meets local charm. Day 2 is all about thrills and fun at Universal Studios Singapore. Step into a world of blockbuster movies, exciting rides, and unforgettable shows. On Day 3, enjoy a full-day tour of Sentosa Island, beginning with a scenic cable car ride, offering panoramic views. Discover Sentosa's world-class attractions, from sandy beaches to exciting entertainment, making it the ultimate island getaway. On the final day, enjoy free time to shop for souvenirs and explore Singapore's famous shopping hubs. Then fly back to Manila with unforgettable memories of Singapore's culture, adventure, and charm. The WISE Singapore Tour Package. 4 days, 3 nights of discovery, excitement, and reward. WealthLink's incentive for star employees.
So once again, sa December, magkikita-kita po ulit tayo to know who's going to win the trip to Singapore. Package for another 4 days and 3 nights awaits you guys. So in advance, congratulations sa ating mga unang nanalo, trip to Thailand. And syempre ngayon, ang trip to Hong Kong. Congratulations again, Jason Ramos, for winning the ticket for trip to Hong Kong. If you don't have passport yet, WealthLink Incorporated is very happy to assist you in securing a passport. Again, guys, disclaimer po ulit. Marami po tayong disclaimer. I-announce ko po ulit. Please, it's not convertible to cash because we wanted you to experience going out of the country, and syempre para naman ma-enjoy mo dahil isang buong taon kang nagtatrabaho sa under WealthLink. And now, to everyone, thank you so much for watching. To officially wrap up today's event, please welcome our President and CEO to give us a message, Ms. Marites Mondigay.
Okay. Thank you everyone who joined us today on our live stream. It has been a pleasure to celebrate the dedication and hard work of our employees through the WISE Quarterly Raffle Draw and Awards recognition. Congratulations to our winners and awardees, and a special shout out and congratulations to Jason Ramos for winning the exciting trip to Hong Kong. We hope you have an amazing journey. And to all our employees, keep striving and accumulate more points, as the grand raffle draw is coming this December with a fantastic trip to Singapore for the lucky winner. So we look forward to seeing you in December, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to all of our winners for the month of September Employee of the Month, and also our quarter employee, and to all the sales achievers, and also ang ating awardee ng loyalty, and lastly sa mga nanalo din ng ating mga raffle, from mini raffle up to our main prize for this quarter, which is trip to Hong Kong. Jason Ramos, congratulations sa iyo. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat. See you on December. We'll be announcing what date would it be. Once again, this is WISE 3 WealthLink Incentive for Star Employees. This has been your host, Joseph. See you and good afternoon to everyone. Bye-bye.